Welcome back to Lumicore Labs. Day 17. Up until now, we've been writing code line by line, top to bottom. That works for small scripts. But what if you need to do the same calculation 10 times? Or 100 times? Copy-paste? No way. Today we learn functions, reusable blocks of code that you write once and call whenever you need them. Functions are the secret to writing clean, organized, and professional code. Let's unlock them. Think of a function like a recipe. You write the recipe once, the ingredients and the steps. Then you can cook that dish anytime you want, as many times as you want, without rewriting the recipe each time. That's what functions do for your code. Look at this. I'm printing a welcome message for Alex. Name, balance, then a blank line. Simple enough. Same structure for Sarah. Same greeting, different name and balance. Notice the pattern repeating. And again for Sina. Look at this. We're greeting 3 users with the same message structure, just different names and balances. This is repetitive. If I want to change the greeting format, I have to edit 3 different places. This is inefficient and error-prone. There must be a better way. And there is functions. Here's the solution. The def keyword tells Python, I'm about to define a function. Greet_user is the function name. Inside the parentheses, name and balance are parameters. They'll hold whatever values we pass in when we call this function. These 2 indented lines are the function body. They use f-strings to insert the parameter values. To use the function, we write its name followed by parentheses. Inside the parentheses, we pass arguments, the actual values we want to use. Alex and 1250 for the first call, Sarah and 890 for the second, Sina and 2100 for the third. When we run this, it prints exactly the same output as before, but look at the code. 1 function definition, 3 function calls. If I want to change the greeting format, I edit it once, inside the function, and all 3 greetings update automatically. Write once, use everywhere. Now let's look at return. I'm defining a function called add that takes 2 parameters, A and B. Inside, I add them together and use the return keyword to send the result back. Return does 2 things. It ends the function immediately, and it hands a value to whoever called it. Here's a shorter version. Multiply calculates and returns in 1 line. No need for an intermediate variable. I call add 5, 3. It returns 8, which I store in some underscore value. Multiply 5, 3 returns 15, stored in product. Finally, I print both results. The functions did the work and handed me the answers. That's the power of return. When we print sum underscore value, we get 8. When we print product, we get 15. The functions did the work and handed us the results. This is how you build reusable calculation tools. Let's build a practical mini project, a temperature converter. We create 2 functions, one for Celsius to Fahrenheit, one for Fahrenheit to Celsius. Each function takes one parameter, does the math, and returns the result. The main part of the program asks the user for a temperature and a unit, then calls the appropriate function. I'm defining a function that takes a Celsius temperature. The formula is multiply by 9, divide by 5, add 32. The result is returned directly, no print, no input, just math and return. The reverse function. Subtract 32, multiply by 5, divide by 9. Notice that each function does exactly one job, converting a temperature. It doesn't print anything. It doesn't ask for input. It just converts and returns. This is called the single responsibility principle. Each function should do one thing and do it well. Now the main program. I get a temperature as a float and ask whether it's Celsius or Fahrenheit. .upper converts the input to uppercase. I use an if, elif, and else to call the correct function. The result is formatted to 1 decimal place. Clean, modular, and reusable. I'll test it. 25.5 Celsius becomes 77.9 Fahrenheit. The function did the math and gave us the answer. You can call this function as many times as you want with different values. It's a reusable tool. Day 17 is complete. Functions will change how you write code forever. You can now create reusable blocks, pass data in, and get results back. In the next video, it's practice day. You'll write functions that solve real problems. Please hit the like button and subscribe to Lumicore Labs and tell me, what's the first function you're going to write on your own? See you on day 18.